big halls where workers were given bed to sleep on, to live over there. But these workers were not allowed to bring their families with them, so they have to leave their families in their villages and they have to stay in dormitories working over there. Plus they got very low wages, very less salary they got. So these were the exploitations done to them by the factory owners. So another word for factory owners is capitalist. Capitalist means rich people, landlords, royal people who are very rich, they owned factories, such capitalist. Okay, so these workers, these factory workers, industrial workers, they struggled against the exploitations done to them by the factory owners, capitalist. Okay, workers at that time, among workers, women were also there. So women also contributed equally. Whatever struggle was done by the male workers, how they fought against them, equally women also fought for their rights. Okay, basically women played important role in this revolution. Next, on the other hand, so this was the one section of the society, that is factory worker. The other section was small farmers. They were also not satisfied. So small workers, they were also disappointed because most of the land and properties, they belonged to nobility and church. So these so the people who belonged to nobility and church, they enjoyed owning a large piece of land. They used to work less, or they never worked at all. These small workers worked for them, and they got very low wages. Plus they didn't own their own lands, so they were also very dissatisfied. They were not satisfied with the treatment given to them by these nobilities and churches. So these two sections of the societies, they were disappointed, okay, by the capitalist and the nobility and church category. Okay, so here you can see the last point. Therefore, two sections of the society were disappointed: workers. The other word used for worker is proletariat. Proletariat or proletariats means workers, factory workers, industrial workers. And the other section of the society which was not happy were farmers. Other word for farmers is peasants or peasants. Okay, so you have to keep it in mind, don't get jumbled. Who are these proletariats? Proletariats were industrial workers or factory workers. Farmers, peasants. Who were peasants? Peasants were none other than but